If you run a marketing agency and you're using HighLevel for that, or you want to use it, guess what? You need an amazing front end tool in order to showcase your expertise and expertise of your team in order to sell for your services and products. Ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly show it to you the premium marketing website that I created using HighLevel's AI Studio. And guess what? Yes, you are heard it that right. All of this is created 100% with HighLevel's AI Studio. Look at the quality, the refinement, and the finish. I mean, this is top-notch quality. And guess what? It's not just a single page. It's a multi-pager, full-fledged premium website that you could literally get for absolutely free if you continue to watch the video. All right, let me show it to you as to what exactly I did here. Right, so this is built on High Levels AI Studio, and let me show it to you exactly how many pages this has. So this is a premium marketing funnel. No matter whether you are using High Level or you're using any other tool, if you're a marketing agency, you need a marketing front end website or a platform or landing page or a funnel or whatever you may call it, but it needs to be good enough for people to see your standard, your quality, because people are quick to judge based on your looks, and guess what? You cannot fall short on that. And that's exactly why I created this for my fellow high level lads who join our premium high level app community. But guess what? You could also get that for absolutely free. Now, this is a premium site that you can load that up and show it to you, right? This is built, and just look at this beautiful animation, effects, everything here. You have home pages, all the other pages here, services, portfolio, black, contact, get in touch, stuff like that. And look at this quality. Now, since this is a template, you could literally ask, the AI Studio in order to change anything you want. Just give it some creative direction, and boom, you are going to get that. All of those updates on how to make changes to etc. are also provided inside our premium community, which I'm going to give you a walkthrough in some time. Hold that for now. Just look at the quality that we are presenting here, right? Different kind of marketing services, whether you have digital marketing, advertising, performance, lead generation, social management. And guess what? These kinds of premium websites cannot be generated with simple AI prompts or even complex AI prompts for that matter. I have generated over like 18 to 20 pages of AI prompts for a single prompt, and guess what? They do not work the quality because it takes a lot of time, effort, energy in order to build truly something valuable that you can use and compete with 6, 7, and 8 figure marketing agencies across the world using your high level account and an AI studio setup. And that's exactly what this is built on. This is not the non-native page builder, but it's actually the actual high levels AI studio page builder. And look at the freaking amazing quality. If you already have high level or you're already part of my premium high level app community and you're looking to get this done as a done for you service, you could literally go to pritambhadra.com, and this is where you can schedule a direct call with me and book a consultation as to how I can help you build this inside your high level account. All right, now let me quickly show it to you what exactly you get. Apart from the homepage, you have like you know about us, right? Again, super details and not generic pages. With just a glance, you should be able to tell that okay, this is not something basic that I normally see with an AI generated website or a normal template. This is something really standard, and somebody has really put in the time, energy, and skill in order to create something like this, right? Not just that, you look at these pages of schedules, details, all of that comes along with this particular website. And this is the quality that people get when they, you know, become part of this entire community. Now, let me show it to you as I'm going through this. Again, this is super responsive, and this is 100% tablet and mobile optimized as well. And again, super clean, super nice. And guess what? These forms that you create inside AI Studio could easily replicate and connect to your CRM, or you could create a form inside the normal form builder and connect it here and replace this form completely. Now, this is exactly what I have been doing for my clients as well. So creating these kinds of uh, websites for my clients and projects has been a total game changer for them, because they are now able to get these kind of websites at a fraction of cost, because I build them at literally like $1,000 or $2,000. And guess what? They have a world class website which they didn't have to pay $10,000 for. Now that's the quality that people are getting inside this AI studio. And guess what? High level is already running its summer of AI 50% off deals. So if you are not using high level but planning to, you could get and save a 50%. And guess what? All your $97 plan is now $48. Your $297 plan is now $148, and your $497 plan is now $248. And this is going to continue for the next 3 months of this pricing plan before you pay the genuine complete plan. And guess what? All of this AI features of AI Studio, Voice AI, Conversation AI, Ask AI, all of that features are going to be completely free for you for this. And this is what HighLevel is running. And guess what? A lot of people has already signed up, because the moment they sign up or they upgrade, because with this link, there's also a link in the description box and in comments with which you can now upgrade, right? And the moment you upgrade your HighLevel account, you are going to get access to my premium community. I have two communities here. I have the free one, which let me show it to you here, which is this one. This is my free community, right? Where I constantly post, showcase people value, and guess what? People have started giving the feedback and they are super impressed that Pritam's new agency websites live up to the hype and stuff like that. But guess what? The premium community is where all the sauce is, because here I not only constantly post, I understand what people are going through and help them with that. We also have great coaching sessions and Q&A sessions, and guess what? There are new templates coming up every single week. If I have to give you a detailed breakdown, just go to premium.highlevel.com, and here you'll be able to understand exactly what you get. So if you join High Level with me, you get 10 plus snapshot. We have already completed 3, and the rest 5 6 are going to come soon. We have worked with over 20 plus niches. It's actually more than 20, right? And we are projecting over 50 plus AI template mastery courses and weekly coaching that people are going to get the moment they enroll with High Level with our link, right? All of this is going to get covered, and guess what? You get more than $10,000 of bonuses just for absolutely free, just by signing up. Accordingly, you also get one-on-one exclusive onboarding coaching call and weekly live sessions. So let's take a look at what exactly do you get. You get premium high-level app community access, which is this one, and this has classrooms here. In this classroom, you'll be able to see I have this account setup, tutorial, as well as snapshot. You have conversation AI bots courses. You have AI Studio templates, and these are not just few. We have a lot of templates, guys. A lot of templates. Just look at the quality and the structure and the detailing. This is nuts. The quality is nuts here. And not just that, it will take me an hour to explain you everything. We have AI prompts. We have entire marketing agency website, SaaS. We have also home service and contractor snapshot. We also have the coaching Q&A that I record from time to time. Along with this, we also are having this coaching Q&A session that we conduct every single week. Let me quickly show it to you. Every single week, it's conducted at 12 p.m. Eastern time, as you can see here, right? And guess what? People can come in, join, ask questions, and get their doubts solved. That's exactly what we have been doing for the last few weeks. And guess what? You now have the opportunity to directly work with me. Just in case you already have, high level, or you do not want to upgrade as of now, you will also join this for a lifetime deal. But this is only for the early access till we reach a certain number, and you could join this as only at $497. For that, you have to join my free community here. The link should be in the description box, and DM me that, hey Pritam, I'm interested in joining your premium community for the 497 lifetime deal. Is it still available? That's an important question, because in most of the cases it might not be available, and then you have to probably upgrade with the current price, which could probably be 1,000 or more dollars. All right, so that's exactly what you're going to get, and this is what is included in that. And guess what? Let me show it to you exactly. Along with that, we also get a one-on-one onboarding coaching with me. So the moment you sign up, I'll send you the link to schedule a call with me, whether it's through email, whether it's through the community itself, but you'll get access to that calendar. We do weekly coaching session and Q&A for our premium members, and this is for 1 hour long exclusive coaching sessions available. We have high-level technical mastery courses that are coming up. We already have conversation. We already have the basic account set up. We are planning for the AI studio as well as the voice AI. Along with this, you get high-level business growth courses, which is going to be how to market your high-level business, how to become a brand in AI. All of that stuff is already there. 10 plus loaded snapshot and guided videos. Currently, we have approximately 3 snapshots which are live, which is the premium websites and snapshots automations included in it. The rest are already in works. We're currently working on the real estate snapshot. And guess what? After that, the health, insurance, finance, all of that is going to be followed. Then we have the 20 plus business niche covered. I think this is wrong, because we are already covering more than 30 plus niches now. The 50 plus AI websites are soon going to get covered into 100 plus AI websites. We have already pre-built marketing and ad funnel templates. We also have email snippets and SMS templates, pre-created forms, pipelines, calendar, all of that is included in your high-level account snapshot, and important automation to launch your business right away. All of that, a total value of 11,674 is now available to you for absolutely free. And again, everybody watching this video has something in it. If you do not want to upgrade, you already have an account, you can join that at a lifetime deal if available. Or you could, if you are looking for done for you services, go to pritam.com. The link should be in the description box and schedule a call with me. That's exactly what you get when you want quality like this. Because hey, guess what? I've been with High Level for the last 5 years and I've helped over 100 plus clients, generate over $4 million of combined revenue. And in that process, I have myself generated over $300,000. And guess what? This is the quality that we bring to the table. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next set of amazing tutorials coming your way. Watch them as well, and I'll see you in the next video.